Embark on a journey through the rich tapestry of the national capital, Washington, D.C., where the echoes of history resonate through every street. Welcome to Perry Student Accommodation. Perry offers range of fully furnished, all-inclusive ensuite and non-ensuite apartments featuring soft double bed, a bedside cabinet, clean bathrooms, and ample natural light. While the shared living room, adorned with inviting couches and chairs at the dining counter, creates the perfect ambience for forging friendships effortlessly. Beyond your suite, unwind on the outdoor terrace with breathtaking sunset views, dive into a cinematic experience in the movie room, and find ample space to study, work, or unwind in the ultra-modern penthouse lounge. Convenient bike racks and on-site parking add to the ease, while high-speed Wi-Fi ensures seamless reruns of The Office. Nestled just a short drive from both George Washington University and American University, Perry attracts students seeking a vibrant community. Delight in popular cafes like Starbucks Reserve, embark on explorations to iconic attractions such as the Lincoln Memorial and the Washington Monument, and savor the diverse dining and nightlife offerings in neighboring districts like Columbia Heights and Logan Circle. Experience the very essence of Washington, D.C. at its finest right here at Perry Student Accommodation. Visit amberstudent.com and book your stay today.